Camel and the Palm Tree. Once upon a time, there was a camel who lived in the desert. The camel was very thirsty, but there was no water to be found. The camel wandered for days, looking for water, but he could not find any. One day, the camel came to a palm tree. The palm tree was tall and green, and it looked very inviting. The camel went up to the palm tree and asked, "Can you give me some water?" The palm tree said, "I'm sorry, I don't have any water. I'm a palm tree, not a well." The camel was disappointed, but he did not give up. He said, "Please, I'm so thirsty, I'll do anything for some water." The palm tree thought for a moment, and then said, "I'll give you some water, but you have to do something for me in return." The camel said, "Anything." The palm tree said, "I want you to plant my seeds in the desert. If you do that, I'll give you some water." The camel agreed, and he planted the palm tree seeds in the desert. The palm tree seeds took root, and soon they grew into a new palm tree. The camel was very happy, and he thanked the palm tree for the water. The palm tree said, "You're welcome. Now go and rest in the shade of my new leaves." The camel went and rested in the shade of the new palm tree. He was no longer thirsty, and he was very grateful to the palm tree for helping him. Moral of the story: if you help others, they will help you in return. Even if you are different, you can still find common ground and work together. I hope you enjoyed this new camel story.